People need a healthy heart rate to function well, and this may be affected by the different activities and situations we make in our daily life. This is important because 70% of the Mexican population suffer from obesity and are derived from this disease, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. And we question ourselves if doing exercise will help teenagers to have a lower resting heart rate in comparison to people who don't. And we thought that if people exercise regularly, they will have a lower resting heart rate. Most athletes tend to have a lower heart rate than the rest of the population. Even some of them reach the 30 beats per minute. So with this research, we will show if there is a link between exercise and resting heart rate. So we're gonna measure the resting heart rate from 15 athletes and 15 people that don't do exercise at all. As independent variable, we have obviously doing exercise. A dependent variable will be the resting heart rate that people will have. Our control variable will be the device that we will use and will be a hand clock that measure the heart rate. Also very important is that we won't be able to control people's emotion with 100% accuracy. And this research is very important because only in Latin America, 60% of the population that is 20 years old or older is obese.
Our population will be teenagers between 15 and 19 years of age. We will choose people that could fit better for this research and ask them if they want to participate in it. For this experiment, we will be using a smartwatch to track their heart rate, an Excel chart, and an electronic device to use the Excel chart. To perform this research, first we will decide our subjects. We will ask them if they have taken any caffeine or stimulants, if they use any medication to alter their heart rate, or if they are having some emotional issues that could affect their heart rate. If the answer is no, we will proceed with the collection of data. We will tell them to sit and stay relaxed. We will place the right arm in a comfortable position, approximately at an angle of 90 degrees from the elbow. After that, we will ask our participants to perform some breathing exercise so we can lower the heart rate as much as possible. The breathing exercises will be performed before we gather the heart rate. After that, we will put the smartwatch on the right arm and start collecting the data. We will register the collected data on the Excel chart, and then we will repeat this procedure as many times as needed. Our results were the average resting heart rate for an athlete was 54 beats per minute, and the average resting heart rate for non-athletes was 72 beats per minute. In this case, athletes had a difference of 18 beats per minute less than the other group. So this proves that athletes have a lower resting heart rate than average.